Hello, today's topic is focus on flow, the flow of materials and goods through our supply chain, from suppliers to clients. A business that focuses on flow easily achieves many of the other commonly sought after targets, like lower costs and lower investment, better due date performance, and even better quality. We believe that managers, and especially top managers, are almost always the business bottleneck. They think about and deal with too many different apparent problems at the same time. Because they apparently have so much on their plate, they can spend only very little time on any one issue. They cannot or do not focus on what is truly important. Too little gets done, and the real bottom line targets are often missed. In a typical supply chain, clearly it is all about flow, which begs the question, why is there so little true focus on flow? Shouldn't management focus be concentrated zealously on achieving flow? So what blocks flow? To manage well, we fight to reduce waste. Performance is commonly measured by how efficiently all of our resources are used. But to meet market expectations, we must also fight to increase flow. How many key performance indicators do you know that measure flow? Remember, what gets measured gets done. Flow and efficiency are in conflict because a resource standing idle is a major waste. And a resource standing idle that is a major waste leads to stuffing a factory with work, resulting in traffic jams and unclear priorities. Markets often don't need the greater part of big batches, and releasing work orders too soon just to keep resources busy blocks flow. These green points are aimed at increasing efficiency. They look like flow, but they create unnecessary traffic jams in a factory. Even forecasts are attempts to improve efficiency and not flow. The only performance measure that promotes flow is the on-time in full metric at the bottom of the slide. The supply chain dilemma. Warehouse managers hold more inventory in order to protect sales because of the reasons in red. To increase flow, they should hold less inventory, not more. To successfully implement flow, reliability and shorter lead times are essential. To increase flow, we need to reduce inventories because stock that sits and waits for customers is not flowing. Frequent replenishment of regional warehouses with small quantities of products is flow and requires less stock. To avoid transport cost increases, ship full truckloads of small quantities of many different products. Aging stuff just sits there, loses quality, and eventually it will be obsolete. Worst of all, it blocks flow. Pressure for low inventories causes surpluses in one area or of one product, and that must lead to shortages in other warehouses, especially if we ship big batches, truck or container loads. We must stop overproduction and over-replenishment. Flow in a supply chain. If lead times look like these, then all you need are low inventories like these. In order to satisfy customers with such small levels of stock, inventory must flow reliably to all endpoints. If the central warehouse always has all products in stock, then flow to the endpoints can be guaranteed. The paradigm shift. To prevent overproduction, produce and replenish only what was just sold, minimize batch sizes, cut work in process and production lead times in half, and concentrate stock in the center. You can do this because in most factories, products spend 90% or more of cycle time waiting in a queue. Take advantage of Little's Law and cut lead times in WIP. You will get short lead times and reliable availability, greater capability and effectiveness, and lower cost and investment. The results you can expect? Well, market share gains from superior performance, 50% of added sales will go straight to the bottom line, lower cost and investment improve your financial performance even more, and you'll get ecstatic shareholders. So, focus on flow and everything else will fall in place. If you have questions, please email or call us, and please visit our website.